188.6. I did go back up just a little bit, probably because I had the pizza yesterday. I don't have a lot going on today, actually. I'm just going to work and I have church afterwards, but I did get a lot of rest. I ended up going to bed early last night. I feel pretty good today, and I'm looking forward to seeing what results I can end up with after today. I plan on eating really well, so the inflammation will go down from the pizza I ate yesterday. And I'm hoping tomorrow I'll see me breaking that 187.6 mark. Okay, so I'm leaving work, heading to church now. I'll be there the rest of the evening, and then I'll do a recap on my day, see how things are going. But I'm done eating. I'm already fasting now. I've been fasting for about 50 minutes now. Should be able to eat first thing in the morning when I get to work tomorrow, so that'll be nice. Right now I'm fasting consistently 16 hours. Some days a little more, some days a little less if I'm hungry, but there's nothing wrong with that either. Yep, heading to church.
That we are now, the work that God has for us. I think you ever feel morally weak? I mean, you ever feel like temptation is
As I already said, I had started fasting already. Currently, I've been fasting for about 5 hours, and I don't plan on eating anymore tonight. As always, I usually have a resting calorie burn of 2,600 calories. So there will be just a slight difference between now and midnight, but I'm still in a deficit, and you can see I've been in a pretty consistent deficit throughout the entire week. Now, one thing's for sure, I definitely need to stop eating pizza. That one's for you guys. I've had a lot of comments about the pizza. Obviously, it's a bad choice, so no more pizza for the rest of this time. As long as I'm headed towards this goal of losing this 20 pounds, I'm gonna commit to you guys, no more pizza. Sound good? So leave a comment below, any encouragement or any tips you might have for me. Obviously, your guys' tips mean a lot to me. I'm using them on a constant basis. Hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe so you'll see the next few videos coming up. I do have a battery test that I'm gonna post here shortly that you'll get a chance to see. Until next time, you guys have a great night.